Today, a big part of my time is dedicated to thinking about those small details that can truly delight my guests. Because it's not the same when an experience is simply good as when it genuinely makes someone fall in love with it. To do that, I need to manage my time really well. Take care of operational tasks quickly, bookings, messages, payments, without getting stuck in repetitive work. That way, I can block my calendar every 1 or 2 weeks and spend 1 or 2 days at each property. That quality time allows me to see what's missing, what can be improved, and how to add real value to the experience. When management flows and operations don't get in the way, I can focus on what truly matters, creating experiences guests will remember.